What's up, YouTubers? RPM Nexus here, bringing you a brand new Funko Pop video. This video is going to be all about the Stashpedia app. So before I get into this video, I need you guys to do me one solid favor. So go ahead, look down below, hit that subscribe and bell icon, because both of those will keep you up to date on everything that is happening with the channel, especially all the cool Funko Pop videos that I got coming to you guys. So right now, I'm going to get into the phone to get to the Stashpedia app, obviously, because it's only based on the mobile devices, iPhones, Androids, all those cool stuff out there. So let's go ahead, let's hop over into the phone. Alright, as I mentioned, guys, we are here inside the Stashpedia app, and this thing is super cool. It keeps track of all your Funko Pops that you have collected over time, and it gives you an idea of what everything you should be doing, you know, like how much your Funko Pops will be worth. It even goes by, well, based on eBay prices and stuff like that. But as I mentioned, Stashpedia prices and the Pop Price Guide prices are totally different, so you kind of have to take a medium between the two, and they kind of go to eBay or Amazon or even a Facebook group trying to get your actual prices and everything. But as you can tell from the very front screen, besides the whole "How do you like Stashpedia?" I love it. So we're gonna say no thanks for right now. I will rate it later. But this is really cool. As you can tell, the very first thing you're going to see is the home page, which is showing you all the newly added Funko Pops, which I seen Greta the other day. I'm definitely glad to get her, the whole Gremlins looking thing. Then you got Alpha 5 black and gold. This is really cool. I like all this particular stuff. It kind of gives me an idea of what I could be looking for in the next year or so when I'm out there looking for Funko Pops. And then if you go to the right here, it gives you the whole exclusives, categories, bolted, DPCI, SKU list. You can find out what stores have the Funko Pops in stock and stuff like that, which is really cool. The Funko Shop, you can shop for Funko Pops. You got the facts, then you got the settings, then you got the feedback and contact, which these people really did a good job. It kind of, like I said, it reminds me of Pop Price Guide, but a lot of people prefer Stashpedia because it's on the go as a mobile app. It's really good and really useful to use. So, and then right here, you got the search. See right here, when I'm out and about, I look for certain pops and to see how much they are worth, and then if I'm going to buy them or not. You know, I got a set target of Funko Pops that I want to get. So right now, my main goal of getting, there's two other Pops I need to get. It's the Yu-Gi-Oh series that just came out. Right now I got Seto Kaiba, and then they also have Yugi, and then they had the Blue Eyes White Dragon. So those are definitely my next two targets. And then what you'll do, you'll just type in, let's say Seto Kaiba. Let's see if they pop them up. Oops, I spelled Kaiba wrong. Let's go back. Kaiba. There we go. I might have spelled. There he is. Seto Kaiba. And then once you search the pop that you're looking for, you click on the particular pop. Add to collection. This is the one I definitely have right now, and that's something I'm going to be showing y'all in a later video, the newest pop to my collection. But right now, y'all kind of get a sneak preview of what the pop's going to be coming in the near future. And then you want to back out, and then you will go to activity, see what's going on. There's nothing, usually fallen or followers. There ain't really nobody here that's following me. You know, I just mainly use it as a collection, a list of what I need to get and stuff like that to keep track of my pops. Then as you can tell right here, it gives you a list of everything that you own, everything that what pops you have on hand, and there's a lot of really cool stuff. You know, I used to have a few more out there, but I got rid of those. I sold those to a local business here that gave me some money for it, $100 for like 5 pops. That wasn't that bad. And as you can tell, my highest one is the Elcor Ray, which I will leave the link, which is going to pop up in the right hand corner or the left hand corner of the video. And then I also have the unboxing of the Osiris Gold particular part of it. That's definitely going to be up in the right hand corner as well. And then you got the wish list of what pops you want. As you can tell, my wish list is quite a bit. It's got all the Funko Pops from the Arrow series, which I need these guys, so I'm definitely going to try to keep my eyes out for these. And majority of these I could definitely get on Amazon and get these guys to me. I know like the Deathstroke Unmasked, and the Player's Choice locally may have most of these, which is really cool. So basically this is about it for what the Funko Pop, the Stashpedia app is for you. And as you can tell, RPM Nexus right there. So if you definitely enjoyed this video, head on over, hit the subscribe and the bell notification, because both those will definitely make sure it keeps you up to date on all the cool stuff that is coming towards you. And I do apologize that this thing is in portrait mode. This is the only way I could do it, because right now I even got my phone set for portrait or landscape, whatever you want to call it, where it's supposed to go to side, but it's not doing that. So I'm guessing it's just because of the app. So I do apologize for that. But alright, this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see particularly more videos just like this one, which there ain't a whole lot of Funko Pop collecting apps out there or stuff on PC for it, hit the like button, and you guys rock, and I will definitely see you guys later. Peace!